Poison Ivy has entered the House of D in the next chapter of ToyQuest101 Unboxed. Let's begin. As always, we can start with the base. Now we can see the base is turning 360 degree, and you can see all around the texture and the wetness of the base. This is one of the bases that I say that overshadows sometimes the statue. Look at the lines and look at the symmetry. In this part, you're gonna see the teeth. They're very sharp, and some are broken like real teeth. And you can see the wetness. It has a clear on it, and it shows like it was damp water. Look at the color of the teeth. They're kinda like an elephant tusk, the color. They're very pointy and broken, and they look like real teeth. And you can see the base that has a lot of Easter eggs, and has this swampy and murky kind of water base. This is very interesting for Sideshow. I'm going to show you here. It has some skulls. I think it has 6 or 7 skulls on the base. It's very weird that they have that here, but it looks like a swamp. The branches on the base, you can feel it, and it feels like wood, even if it's polystone. And the feeling to your touch is like real wood. In the back part of the base, as we admire it, we can see there's another skull in the bottom. Here you can see we're gonna put one of the roots, and they're kind of easy because they're coated, but they're very delicate, and they do have a magnet. Small one, but they do have one. Remember, they coated, but I still had a struggle in putting this one in. And this is the body of the poison ivy. You can see in the front and the back how it's sculpted, and you can see there's a steel rod that goes in her leg, so that means she's will be very safe. You can see her muscularity and shadows in the painting and the sculpt, and the veins. Oh my god, look at those. The roots look in the skin. In this part, we're gonna put in the arm. You can see in the fingers, it's kind of red, but it's kind of violet too. It's like it has blood, but it has poison in the tips. This part is kind of tricky because before putting the arm, we got to put these branches on and in between the arm. And now this is what Sideshow specializes in: female portraits. She has a beautiful sculpt in the face. You can see the strands and intricate hair sculpt. Sideshow really outdo himself with sculpt. And look at the necklace, look at that. It looks very nice. Now we're gonna look at the statue and the menacing way it looks at you. It's a great statue. Please, please give it an opportunity. And that base. I mean, it's all in the base. Let's enjoy. And that was Poison Ivy, Deadly Nature from Sideshow. I mean, you're gonna like it. It's an exclusive, only 200 were made. And the portrait is very nice. You can see the textures on the clothes and the base. The base is gonna match perfectly with the penguin statue. So I'm waiting for that. Man, you're gonna like it. I had the previous version that Fatal sold to me, the one that was coming out of the plant, and that was for me an incredible statue. But this one blows it away. Remember, buy what you can, buy what you like, and don't believe the hype. Like and subscribe to ToyQuest101 Unboxed. See you soon.